Today we replace the right fan on a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody, step by step. Required tools are Phillips PH00, T6 Torx, spudger, tweezers, and a torque driver. Shut down and remove power and the battery before starting. Remove bottom screws and lift the Unibody case off carefully. Disconnect the right fan power cable and nearby antenna cable carefully. Unscrew the fan, note each screw location, and lift the old fan free. Place the new right fan, align the mounting pins, and seat it securely. Tighten screws with light, consistent torque and avoid over-tightening the fan screws. Reconnect the fan cable and press the connector until it seats with a soft click. Reinstall the Unibody cover and battery, then secure all bottom screws in order. Listen, before replacement the fan had a loud grinding noise. After replacement it runs quiet and smooth. Run a fan test, monitor temperatures, and confirm normal performance. Repair complete.